target anti-aging at the cellular level, we offer a variety of options. One of my favorite is IV glutathione. This is a potent antioxidant that will stimulate your body to produce more collagen and elastin. It helps with skin texture, tone, hyperpigmentation, and it also provides energy to the mitochondria. These are the powerhouses of the cell. We all know about the immunity benefits of vitamin C, but what a lot of people don't know that it's great for anti-aging and aesthetic purposes. Vitamin C is going to help to brighten your skin, prevent sun damage, and it also will boost your collagen and elastin to help with anti-aging and firm the skin. If you're looking for an overall brightness, then vitamin C is going to be a great option for you. We offer GHK copper peptides. This is an amazing treatment that will provide your cells with the ability to produce more collagen and elastin. So this is something that's targeting anti-aging at a cellular level. It's starting from within, but you're gonna see the benefits outside aesthetically. Not only is it an aesthetic treatment, but it's gonna help with mood and it's neuroprotective as well. So this is an all-around great option if you're trying to increase energy and help live an aesthetic lifestyle. This is a peptide that you're gonna take home and you're gonna administer daily subcutaneously. It's very simple and we will go over exactly how to do it, and you should start to see benefits in about a month. Spermidine is a compound that comes from wheat germ. It's not what you think, and it really has a lot of health benefits. It's gonna help prevent hair loss. It may help with hair growth. It's gonna stimulate collagen and elastin, so it's gonna prevent wrinkles. It's a great anti-aging resource, and one of the other major benefits that you could possibly see is the slowing down of graying in your hair. Another great benefit of spermidine is treating the skin barrier. So if you're suffering from conditions that are inflammatory, such as rosacea, perioral dermatitis, and acne, it's gonna help improve those symptoms. I recommend taking spermidine every night. To see results, you're gonna have to take it for at least 1 to 2 months. But with continued use, you will definitely see an improvement in anti-aging and skin health.